This cat didn't ask for attention. It called its owner because it was thirsty. Watch closely. It walks straight to the owner, meowing nonstop, like it has something very important to say. Then it does something crazy. It points straight at the water bowl, not once, not twice. Like human, this one right here, full eye contact, maximum cuteness. No confusion at all. And after seeing how desperate and adorable it was, the owner finally fills the bowl with water. And look at that, the cat drinks happily. Mission accomplished. If this made you smile, leave a like and subscribe.